Well, I'm going to do a video of my screen cover I'm going to install. It's made by Zagg. It's called Invisible Shield Glass Fusion. So we're going to install this, see how well that works. It's for the Galaxy S10 Plus, lifetime warranty. This is an actual replacement from the last one I had. So we're going to open it up here. So open this up, take this out of the package. When I put the actual screen cover on, I'll have to put it on pause because I only got one hand here. I'll show you how it's done anyways. There's the screen cover there. So, and we should have a cleaning cloth right here. So we've got the clean cloth out and just give it a good wipe down here. I'll put you on pause. And now we got the phone all wiped down. We got the dust collector here, dust removal sticker. So all you do is you peel that off and you put it on the screen and you dab it. Make sure that if there's any dust, it comes off. That's what we're gonna do. It's very sticky. Look at that, there's a little bit of dust on there. So this is the part you'll be putting your phone in, and it's labeled top. So you want to sit your phone in. It's made for that phone only, so it has a perfect fit. You take a look at this guy right here. Just two little notches. It's going to sit in there just like that. But since it says right here, peel this side first. So peel that. You can see the camera is at that corner of the phone. So once you peel this side, you're going to flip it around. So the camera is going to line right up. You got two holes on the top, two holes on the bottom. That's going to line right up into this piece right here. So I'm going to have to put the phone on pause. I'll peel that number one sticker off first, then I'll show you what I'm doing with it. So that lines up at the top, that lines up at the bottom. Then they give you the squeegee right here. So next step is you just squeegee it, get all the moisture out, get all the bubbles out. I got a little bit of moisture in here because I put a little bit of water on it just so I could squeegee out the bubbles easier. They don't say to use it, but I do. So now I gotta put the phone down and hold my other phone and squeegee at the same time. So I went ahead and squeegeed it. Now I take the last piece off. And there you go, looks like new. I'll still squeegee out a little bit. And another thing I like to say is I start from the middle of the screen and work my way out. So that way there no bubbles get locked inside. So I'll squeegee it out a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. It's all done. Easy peasy does it. Have a good day. Okay, so now we'll take that phone out. You barely tell there's a screen cover on there. They're very easy to put on. You can see it looks like there's bubbles in it, but that's just the smudging. That's gonna go away. Now let's turn it on. And there we go. All done, looks like new. The reason why I had to replace this is because I dropped my phone and put some pretty big indents into my last screen cover. So I had to replace it. And I recommend it because Zagg products are very good, and like I said, never scratched the screen up. No scratches, no dents, no nothing. Great stuff they make.